In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you hands-on practical ways on how you can set up and create your OctaFX account. Apparently, I've been seeing OctaFX around for a while now, and I've been wondering what the hell is OctaFX? Okay, because I have that kind of question. I know that there are some people out there also wondering what OctaFX is and what they can actually do with it. But before we go right into that, if this is your first time on the channel, you're welcome. My name is Adesholamie, and if you want to learn how to make money, how to grow your money, and basically how to become financially independent, then start by subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification right beside it so you don't get to miss any of my uploads. Now let's get right into the video. Alright, so what is OctaFX? I'm going to be giving you the definition according to the website. It says OctaFX, your reliable business partner in the Forex market. We help Forex traders make the most profitable and efficient trading decisions. Experience it for yourself. And their mission is that we exist to provide outstanding services for accessing the Forex market. Okay, they've had 1 million plus Forex trading accounts opened, 1 billion plus trades executed. Interesting. 47 Forex industry awards received. They've covered over 150 countries and they have 15 million bonus funds paid out. Okay, so this is all fun and games until we try out OctaFX itself. So let's start by downloading the application. I would like to believe that this kind of application will be on Play Store and on Apple Store. So because I use an iPhone, I'm going to just go right into my App Store. So yeah, I hope my network is very good this night. Okay, so I'm just going to click on OctaFX, right? Don't worry, I'm going to try to leave the link in the description box. That way you can download directly from you can download the right application. Okay, for some reason I'm seeing two of these. Okay, I guess they're both the same thing. So this is what the app looks like. So I'm going to wait for this to download. Before it downloads, please make sure you're subscribed, and always note that most of my videos and all of my videos are for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor of any sort. If you need any advice when it comes to investing and saving, all of those stuff, make sure you try to get a professional financial advisor. Again, all of my videos are strictly for educational purposes. Okay, now that we are done downloading, let's open up right there. Okay, enable, push it, allow. Okay, so I'm going to start off by signing up with my email. And for this kind of applications, when it comes to your finances, you want to try as much as possible to register with your legal name. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to use my email right there. So for password, I'm just going to use, what should I use? I confirm that I am not a US citizen, resident, or affiliate. Okay, sign up. Check your email. So I want to check my email. Can't see anything here. So I'll check my spam box. Nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Okay, confirm your email. Okay, we have to receive anything like that here. Okay, so this is the email. I'm just going to confirm. Click on confirm. Open up. I want this to be as fast as possible. Okay, provide your details. Since I'm in Nigeria, I'm just going to input my mobile phone number. 14th of May 1996. Do you have any experience in trading? Yes. If you do not have any experience in trading, you can just click on no. Continue. Start a free trading account. Start a new trading account for free. Standard, custom. So I think I'll just go for in one click, right? Create account. Okay, congrats, your account is ready. Account number, server, platform. Okay, I'm just going to take a screenshot of this. Let me take a screenshot. Okay, back to dashboard. Now let me go back to my Octa app and I'm going to log in. Okay, so now this is what our dashboard looks like. Let us personalize. Okay, no. create Octa trader account, open real account. So as you can see on my screen right here, this is all the trades going on right here. And if you're familiar with trades, you definitely know what to do from here. But I'm just going to walk you through what the application looks like. So here we have the status program, and you can just activate it. If you want to be a bronze trader, a silver, gold or platinum trader, you can just click on, I think it is when you, okay, let's click on join. You have joined status program. I don't know what that means. Okay. Deposit a claim status. Deposit to claim a status. Okay, so you need to deposit for you to kind of join their status. So deposit, I've joined. Okay. So I have an Octa Trader account and I have a MetaTrader 5 account. Interesting. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, let's go to their demo. Create a new account. This is going to be like a demo account right here. So we have the OctaFX MT5 Octa Trader. Okay, let's see configure leverage. We're working on demo. Okay, so I have a 5,000 naira, $5,000 virtual money, like a demo money, right? That I can use to like trade. Go to MTP5. Ooh, okay. So here, this is where you would see your orders, if they are open, if they are pending, if they are closed. So actually, this is my first time downloading the application, like you can see. So it's not like I have a knowledge of what to do about this on this application, right? Okay, so you can trade in Forex, in crypto, indices, metals, energy. Let's see crypto. Anyway, this is what OctaFX looks like. Okay, so from what I can see here, you can basically trade Forex, crypto, indices, metals, energy. So depending on whatever you want to trade will determine where you would go to. Okay, so these are just basically everything they have here. But from what I can see here, I think the application is quite easy to navigate. Okay, so if you are really good with trading, you should be able to walk around this by yourself. Otherwise, it might be a little tricky because it's quite tricky for me. Okay, I'm not a very good trader. I'm not an agba trader. Right. I just wanted to see what the app looks like because most of the time when I watch YouTube videos, I always see OctaFX and they've literally used most Nigerian influencers as actors, to promote the application. So I was wondering what it is all about. That is why I decided to try it out. And from what I can see here, like they said, it is a trading platform, right? So you can just go through the website. I'm going to leave everything in the description box. So to deposit, you can use your Nigerian local bank. You can use Bitcoin, you can use Dogecoin, instant bank transfer, Litecoin, Neteller, Kirill, Theta, blah 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 blah. So let's try my Nigerian bank account. So the minimum deposit amount is 15,000. But the problem is, do I have 15,000 naira? Let me see. Let's try 1,000 naira. Senders Bank Access. Confirm. Okay, let's see. 15,000 naira. That's like $20. Okay. So Nigerian local banks, Access Bank. Okay, these are basically my details. Speed up. Okay, now important to note, speed up your request. To do so, use your own bank account. Payment from another person's bank account will be declined. Do not use such words as trading, Forex, OctaFX, etc. when depositing. Please make a transfer to our bank account first before creating a deposit request. Okay. Confirm. Okay, so this is what it's basically going to look like. Sender's bank account. All right, I don't have 15,000 naira right now. Like I don't even have an ATM to use right now. So I'm going to paint this process. But I believe from here, you should be able to like do everything here. It's really simple, I guess. So yeah, I think we've come to the end of this video. Make sure you just go through it to see what's up in total. I'm also going to try to make my own research to kind of know what's up and what is happening with this channel. So we've come to the end of this video. This video is just like a try and error video. So let me know what you think, and if you've used it in the past, let me know so I can know what to do as regards to it, and how to navigate my way around it. Also, let me know what videos you'd like me to film as per OctaFX. That way I would know what to research on. So thank you very much. If you watch up until this end, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video. My name is Adesholamie. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remain fabulous.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en